Good morning, class 7 students. So we are doing the filling the blanks, and till previous page we have done, and today we have to start this question. Okay, so let's see. The first question is, spoilage of food in a summer is a dash change. So what will be the answer? Answer will be chemical change. The second question is, that is question number 6. When vinegar and baking soda are mixed together, bubbles are formed due to evolution of dash. Due to evolution of gas. Vinegar and baking soda are mixed together, bubbles are formed due to evolution of gas. Okay. Question number 7. Dash is always involved in a change. Dash is always involved in a change. Answer will be energy. Question number 8. Earthquake is an example of dash change. Undesirable change. Answer will be undesirable. Question number 9. Those changes which are desired to occur are known as dash change. Desirable. Answer will be desirable change. So, question number 9, answer will be desirable change. Then question number 10. The occurrence of day and night is a dash change. Answer will be periodic change. Question number 10, answer is periodic change. The occurrence of day and night is a periodic change. Okay. Question number 11. Dissolving sugar in a water is a dash change. Dissolving sugar in a water is physical change. Answer is physical. Dissolving sugar in a water is a physical change. 12. Changes of season can be classified as dash change. Changes of season can be classified as periodic change. 13. Volcanic eruption is a dash change. What do you think? Volcanic eruption is what change? It is undesirable change. Or you can write non-periodic also. Okay, so there is two things you can write. Non-periodic / undesirable change. Non-periodic / undesirable change. Either you can write both, or if you write any one, that also will be the correct answer. Okay. So let's move to the next. C. Write T for a true and F for a false statement. Write T for a true and F for a false statement. Cutting a log of wood into pieces is a chemical change. False. Answer is false. Formation of manure from leaves is a physical change. It is also false. It's not a physical change, it is a chemical change. Question number 3. Condensation of steam is not a chemical change. Condensation of steam is not a chemical change. Answer is, question number 3 answer is true. Question number 3 answer is true. Okay. Now come to question number 4. Iron and rust are the same substance. Answer will be, question number 4 answer will be false. Iron and rust rust are not the same substance. Okay, so it is false. Question number 5. Most of the chemical changes are permanent. 5. True. It will be true. Yes, most of the chemical changes are permanent. Very few are like that, we can reverse it. Otherwise, chemical changes are permanent changes. Okay, we have already studied all these things. Question number 6. Burning of magnesium ribbon is an endothermic reaction. Burning of magnesium ribbon is an endothermic reaction. Answer is false. It's not an endothermic reaction, it is an exothermic reaction. Question number 7. Digestion of food is a chemical change. See, students, I hope that you are seeing in the book and you are getting the answer. Please write it down in your book first, then you will write it in the notebook. Okay, so we are doing question number 7. Digestion of food is a chemical change. True, it is a chemical change. Question number 8. No new substance are formed. Question number 8. No new substance are formed when salt and sugar both are dissolved in a glass of water. No new substance are formed when salt and sugar both are dissolved in a glass of water. Answer is true. We will not get a new substance. Okay. 9. Question number 9. Germination of seed is an example of undesirable change. So what do you think? Germination of seed is an undesirable change? We are growing the seed because we don't want the tree? We want, no? Right. We want the tree. That is why we are growing the seeds. We are germinating the seeds. So answer of 9 will be false. Answer of 9 will be false. Now the 10th. Mixing powdered sulfur with iron filling is a chemical change. Mixing of powdered sulfur with the iron filling is a chemical change. False. It is not a chemical change. Okay? Just if we'll mix it, it will not be a chemical change. Question number 12. Before that, 11 also we have not done. So, growing of child into an adult is a fast change. So, what do you think? You grow into one day, child into adult? No. So, answer is false. Question number 12. Dissolving of salt into water is a physical change. True. 12th number answer is true. Okay, student? So, these are the true, false and fill in the blanks we have done. Next, we have to do the examples we have to write. That is, what is desirable change, then slow change, fast change, irreversible physical change, reversible physical change, then exothermic change, then chemical change, then endothermic change. Okay, so this answer you can write from the book also, and I have written here. You can see in the screen and you can write it out. So see here, two example of desirable changes are ripening of fruit and germination of seed. Okay, so this is two desirable change you can write from the screen. You can see, you can pause and you can write the answer in your notebook. Okay, then slow change. Question number 2 is slow change, rusting of iron, growing of trees. These two are the examples of, many could be there, but I have choose the easy one which you can put it in your mind easily. No need to remember. From the very easy examples I have taken. Okay, so these are the slow changes. Rusting of iron, growing of trees. I am not going to explain all these terms because we have already studied in the video, right? We are doing the question answers. So that's why I am going it fast. So next is fast change. Burning of paper, bursting of cracker, both are fast change. Then irreversible physical change, right? Irreversible, it should be irreversible as well as it should be physical change, right? Irreversible means, if you remember, that which cannot be reversed back. So the first is grinding of wood into sawdust, means grinding of wood. And what you need, what you will get from there, sawdust, a minute powder you will get, okay? But that is the physical change, that is not the chemical change. It will have sawdust, it will have all the properties of wood, so it is a physical change, but we cannot make it again into wood, okay? The next is cutting of carrot into pieces, is irreversible physical change. Yes, you can cut the carrot into different small pieces, but when you will eat, you can see that all the tests are same, cutting piece of carrot as well as complete carrot, okay? So that is also physical change. Irreversible, why? Because once we have cut that carrot, we cannot make it the complete carrot once again, right? The next is reversible physical change, that we can reverse back, which we can get it back. So one is melting of ice, the second is melting of wax. Both are reversible change, we can change it so many times, okay? Then next is, you can see in the screen, it is exothermic change. Exothermic we have learned, where heat is released, heat is given out, heat is evolved. So exothermic change's example is combustion and freezing of water. Exothermic change is combustion and freezing of water. Next is chemical change. You have to write the two examples of chemical change. So digestion of food and cooking of food are two examples. Many more could be here, but I am writing the easiest one. You can copy down from here or you can write it of your own, but you have to write it must. Okay, dear student? Okay. So carry on. So next is endothermic change. Endothermic change means where heat is required. Okay. So the two answer is, or you can say two examples are ice melting or photosynthesis. Melting of ice, photosynthesis are the two examples where heat is taken. Okay. Then next we have to see the match the following. Okay, match the following. A question is given E in your book. You can write, you can do of your own once, then you match the answer whether you have done correct or not. I have directly written the answer. I'm reading for you so that you can understand. The answer is absorption of heat is endothermic change. Absorption of heat is a endothermic change. Temporary change, it's question number 2. Temporary change is a physical change. Question number 3. Permanent change is a chemical change. Question number 4. Evolution of heat is a exothermic change. Then question number 5. Repeats at a fixed interval of time is a periodic change. Okay. Now I have given the homework, and today that much only we will do in the video. Okay, otherwise the video will be lengthy. But I am giving you the homework. Homework is very easy. I have already given in the video these homeworks. So once again, this is in your textbook backside. So once again, you have to write it down. Subjective type question. This is the homework. Subjective type question. Page number 41. Question number 1, 2, 3, 4 and 8. These answers you have to write in your chemistry copy. Okay, student. I hope. See you once again. This is the which answer I have said, you know, that fill in the blanks that I have written for you. If you want, you can copy down from here, although I have spoken for you. If you want these answers, you can see in the screen. Okay, student. These answers I have already explained and spoken for you. Right. So that's it till page number 41. Match the following we have done. Subjective question, some of the question I have given as a homework. You do it. Thank you.